really based Vibe on this persimmon color. It's one of my favorites because I think
persimmon.
everybody loves
You
this
just
color.
dropped persimmon as a word. Oh my gosh, I give you 10 points.
Thank you. What I love about Vibe is that this is a new construction hotel, but the floors in the lobby are concrete. They're polished concrete and they have a fun pattern that runs through them.
Wow.
So it's a really fun environment to be in. We do have a bar in Vibe hotels, as well as a grab and go.
Bar.
We have great food that's all locally sourced and things that are really going to be enjoyable for the guests to experience.
Just looking at this story right here, it's like, I want to be there. It's graphic, it's young, it's modern. Look at this, the stripes. How great. And how can I get this rug? Like ASAP, Amy.